Hi everyone, I'm Sangeeta here. I have spent over 10 years of working with MSMEs, understanding their struggles, strengths, and stories. And now I am here to make business finance simple, practical, and actually useful. Whether you are a credit officer, a student, or a small business owner, this platform is for you. Let's start. MSMEs are the real backbone of Indian economy. They contribute to GDP, manufacturing, exports, and most importantly, they create a huge number of jobs. But despite their importance, most MSMEs face big struggles like access to finance, documentation issues, and lack of right guidance. That's exactly why I started this channel to decode credit, business loans, CMA, project reports, and everything in between in plain and easy language. So let's start. MSME: The Secret to Success in India's Growing Economy by Sangeeta Sharma. Hi everyone. What if I told you that your local chai wala, the family run restaurant down the street, and even a small IT company where your friend works, they are all part of India's biggest success story? Today we are talking about MSME, and trust me, this is going to change how you think about your career and the money. What if I say the pan wala in your home, nearby your home? Sorry, you have been seeing him from, I think, very kid. He is also a part of MSME, right? So, what's up, guys? Whether you start just graduated and are wondering, अब क्या करूं, or you are working in finance and want to understand whether the real opportunities are, this video is for you. I'm going to break down MSM in simplest way possible. No terminologies, no confusion, just pure value. So grab your channel and let's dive in because we are Indians, right? The simple truth. Okay, let's start with basics. What is MSME? How many of you know? I think all of you are aware. And if you are not, then I'm telling you. MSME stand for micro, small, and medium enterprises. Sounds fancy, right? But it's actually very easy. Think of it like this: micro. Micro enterprises is just like the small guy in the street. The investment is up to 1 crore. Turnover turnover is basically the sales routed, right? And that is up to 5 crore one in a one financial year. Employees number can be 1 to 10 since it is a very small unit. A simple individual like a content creator, they are also a part of MSME since he is single and I mean to say he is individual, right? And investment is less than 1 crore. And if their turnover is less than 5 crore, then they come into micro enterprises. So example of this is the famous paratha wala in Chandni Chowk. You have seen many, right? All of you have visited Chandni Chowk. So the parlor in your neighborhood, freelance app developer in Noida, or anyone, any a small samosa wala in your pados, right? So next is our small enterprises. They are a little bit when the turnover rises, they turn into small enterprises. The investment in the small enterprises is 1 to 10 crore and the turnover is more than 5 crore and up to 50 crore per year. Employees total count is 10 to 50 people. Example are a garment manufacturing unit in Gurgaon or coaching classes in Delhi. Basically in Lakshmi Nagar you have seen there are many coaching classes. In Kota, Rajasthan, there are many South Indian restaurants in India. They have changed it. If their turnover is less than 50 crore, they come into small enterprises. There are various textile units in Bhiwandi. They also come in small enterprises since their turnover is less than 50 crore and their investment is between 1 crore to 10 crore. Right. Next, we go to medium enterprises. They are middle class heroes. So investment in these medium enterprises is 10 to 50 crore. Total turnover is 52 to 50 crore per year. Employees count exceed from 50 to 250 people. Example are Flutopenis manufacturer in Gurgaon or any pharmaceutical companies in Pune or any food processing unit whose turnover is between 10 to 50, 50, turnover is 50 to 250 crore and investment is 10 to 50 crore. There are various manufacturers and dwellers in Mumbai or in any part of India, in Gujarat, you can see. This definition was not all this. It changed, RBI changed this on 1st April 2025. Since 1st April 2025, the definition of micro and small and medium enterprises in manufacturing, trading and services all have been same, and it is very easier to classify now. Let's go to next. Why should you care? हमें क्या फर्क पड़ता है यार, एमएसएमई में कुछ भी डेफिनेशन हो या कुछ भी एमएसएमई. So here's my breakdown. Here's this mind-blowing part. These MSMEs are not just small businesses. They employ more people than Reliance, Teachers, and Infosys. You know, combined in India, 11 crore people work in MSMEs. That's like the entire population of Japan. And this is a huge, huge number. What makes India MSME so special? So, you know, every MSME or every innovation in started with some jugaad in your home. So maximum are jugaad innovation in Indian MSMEs, making the most with limited resources. This means family business values, long-term thinking, personal relationship. This has been going on generation to generation. More example, you can say it like एक कपड़े की दुकान that is from Dadaji, then his father, then now the son is operating. You have seen, right? You have gone in your Mani neighborhood, which is going for generation. You were this is small till now. This shop is, and you have heard from them. ये तो मेरे दादाजी की दुकान है. There are very various example like you can say restaurant chain business that are going from generation to generation, right? Now local market knowledge, understanding what India really wants. This is very much important for MSMEs, right? Cost efficiency, delivering quality at affordable prices. So this is the desi advantage in my term. Why? Why are they struggling despite there is so much scope and so much everything? They have very less credit access. Most MSMEs still suffer because in my various article, I have written that they are still working on cash basis. They don't know how to fix their accounts. So when they go to bank, they always have they think this is so complicated. So credit access, lack of guidance. No one is to guide them. They don't know how to what are ratios, how to do it. Financial awareness. They are not aware about various financial products and documentation since they are dealing in maximum in cash, so their documentation is really weak. They don't know about registration, the taxes, the accounts, anything. But slowly they are growing. So I am giving you a challenge. Visit one MSME in your area this week. Talk to the owner, understand the business. I guarantee you will learn more in 30 minutes than the most books teach. If this video really has helped you to understand MSME better, smash that like button and subscribe for more practical career and finance content. Drop a comment telling me about an MSME in your area that you admire. I might feature in my next video. So, what is my goal? My goal is to empower MSMEs, credit professional entrepreneurs through simple and powerful financial insights. What to expect here in my channel? I will be giving credit analysis tips, MSME loan guidance, project reports, CMA standards, tools and templates. So to make your work easier, case studies and real life mistakes. These case studies will be based on your comments. I would love to hear them and I will love to make a videos about them. So subscribe, like, comment and drop a question below. I will cover up in my next videos. So if you are someone who wants to grow smarter than credit, you are in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment with your biggest MSME question. I will answer it in my next video. Let's simplify finance together. Thank you. This is Sangeeta signing off.